Welcome viewers and friends, here I am back once again with a new topic in this video, and today we are going to talk about the digestive spices in Ayurveda, or basically enhancing digestive health and beyond. If you are new to my channel and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then I would request you to do it right now, and if you like the video, also like it and share. So let's start. Digestive spices are a vital component of Ayurveda and an ancient system of medicine rooted in India. In this video, we are going to explore the rich historical and cultural significance of these spices and explore their diverse health benefits beyond digestion. I'm not going to make this video too long because actually I can talk on this topic for 2 or 3 hours. It would be kind of a workshop or a seminar, which I can't because I know the attention period for people these days is quite short in the times of reels and shorts. So I'll try to make it as brief but still informative as possible. While introducing Ayurveda, Ayurveda is an ancient holistic system of medicine which places great emphasis on the digestive system as a foundation of overall health. So digestive spices have played a central role in Ayurvedic culinary and medicinal practices for thousands of years. So once again, I'm repeating, Ayurvedic spices are not used just for culinary and adding flavor and aroma in the food or taste, but also it is prime herbs, kitchen herbs. Beyond their flavorful contribution to the dishes, these spices possess the remarkable qualities that promote digestion, enhance nutrient absorption, and offer a wide range of health benefits. Basically, they are stimulant, carbonative, digestives. Well, let's delve into the historical and cultural significance. The use of digestive spices is deeply ingrained in Ayurveda and Indian culture. Spices like ginger, cumin, coriander, fennel, and turmeric have been integral to Ayurvedic cuisine or essentially Indian traditional cooking. So they have been used not only to enhance the taste, aroma, and the flavor of the food, but also their therapeutic properties. This tradition has also influenced global culinary practices and continues to resonate with a wide audience. In fact, in the ancient time, there was a dedicated spice route, a trade of the spices between India, Middle East, and European countries, and India was earning a lot of money by exporting these spices to all the countries, and also clothes and other things. But spices were the main items for export to different parts of the world. Well, how they act, what is the mechanics of action of spices? So digestive spices in Ayurveda work through multiple mechanisms to support digestive health. They can stimulate the production of digestive enzymes like bile and the gastric juices, facilitating efficient nutrient breakdown and absorption. Additionally, these spices can reduce inflammation, balance the digestive fire known as Agni, and improve the gastric mobility. For example, ginger's ability to alleviate digestive discomfort is attributed to its promotion of gastric emptying, while turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties can soothe irritative digestive issues and also reduce inflammation. What is the scientific evidence and health benefits? Because if we talk something randomly without backed by any evidence, then it makes no sense. So modern scientific research has corroborated many of Ayurveda's claims regarding digestive spices. Notably, curcumin, a compound found in turmeric, exhibits potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Studies suggest that turmeric may help manage inflammatory bowel conditions and protect the digestive tract. In fact, turmeric has so many amazing advantages and benefits that we have to dedicate a separate video for turmeric. Still, it will not be over. I would keep speaking for at least 1 hour or 2 hours. Whereas ginger has shown promise in alleviating symptoms of indigestion, including nausea and stomach discomfort. Additionally, cumin, coriander, and fennel seeds have demonstrated digestive benefits by promoting optimal enzyme activity and reducing gas and bloating. So these digestive spices, which can be called as digestive spices because they have an amazing effect on your digestive system, but it's not restricted to digestion only. While digestive health is a primary focus, Ayurvedic spices offer a variety of other health benefits. For instance, turmeric's anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties are being explored for their potential in managing conditions like arthritis and cardiovascular disease. Ginger is recognized for its anti-nausea effects, and it is commonly used to alleviate morning sickness during pregnancy and other conditions. Furthermore, these spices exhibit antioxidant properties that can help combat oxidative stress, prevent aging, and protect cells from damage. Well, discover the secrets to bright health with Ayurveda Diet and Nutrition course that we offer in both residential and online mode now. Are you ready for a journey to comprehensive well-being? I'm sure you are, because health is the biggest asset in the world in the modern times. We have seen what happened during pandemic, and now people are more conscious about their diet, their health, and their lifestyle habits, which is all interconnected if you want to get a good health. We bring this wisdom to you. Now it's quite easy for you, and you can join our online courses and study this Ayurvedic wisdom of diet and nutrition from your computer screens and your mobile phones. With your own pace and convenience. Discover how to balance your doshas, improve digestion, and make healthy nutrition choices for life. Our experienced instructors and comprehensive curriculum will help you change your life. Enroll now to feed your body, mind, and soul and begin a new wellness journey. Use the code below in the description and text us on our WhatsApp with the course name. You will get this course with 50% discount of the total course fee, what we normally offer on our web page. So don't miss this opportunity. It's not going to be there for very long. Well, embracing Ayurvedic digestive spices in modern dietary practices is a practical way to reap their health benefits. They can be incorporated into various recipes and dishes, from curries and soups to smoothies and teas. Beyond digestion, these spices can enhance the flavor of foods while promoting overall well-being. So digestive spices in Ayurveda, they offer a holistic approach to health, grounded in centuries of tradition and validated by modern scientific research. Don't doubt it. It's definitely useful for you to include these spices because your health starts from your digestion, and digestion is the central system to your overall health and well-being. So do not compromise your digestion. If you are eating food without spices, then probably you are not getting the most of your digestive abilities. So these diverse health benefits extend beyond digestion and making them a valuable addition to modern dietary practices. I personally, in all my courses and in all my diet consultations with my patients, I personally include a lot of spices wherever I can. Of course, I have to see the condition and symptoms of the patient, which is quite personalized and a case study, but still I try to include a lot of them wherever I can. So thanks a lot, viewers, for being here and watching this video. Hope you found this video informative and knowledgeable. If you did, then do not forget to like and share, and also do not forget to subscribe our channel if you are interested in getting more such videos in upcoming days and weeks. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take very good care of yourself. More such informative videos on yoga and Ayurveda, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the notification bell. Thank you.